DOEC Triple C. Welcome to RIT with Spreadsheet Part 4. Online contents for course on Computer Concept Spreadsheet Part 4. Objective: you will learn about features of MS Excel, creating, opening, saving and printing workbooks, tabulating textual, numeric and data information, making calculation using formula, making charts. Using basic formula, the Microsoft Excel cell can have normal data or a formula entry. Formula help us to analyze data on a worksheet. With a formula, we can perform operations such as addition, multiplication, and the comparison worksheet values. We can use a formula when we want to enter calculated values on a worksheet. Microsoft Excel formula always begin with a equal sign. A formula is an equation whose result is shown in the cell. A formula can contain one or more cells addresses, function constants and the operators. There are 7 basic mathematical operations which can be used for calculations. Operator operation: multiply, addition, subtraction, division, integer division, exportation, modules. Function are a small program that returns a value based on some calculation, comparison, or ovulation. All function names are followed by a parenthesis which are used to enclose the argument or arguments required by the functions. A comma is used to separate each argument. Excel contains about 250 ready-made functions, some of which are being introduced in the coming up section. Sum function: it adds all the numbers in the range of cells. It can be used in 2 ways. AutoSum function: when you use AutoSum function, Microsoft Excel type the function for you and even suggested the range of cells you may want to add to enter the sum formula. Select a cell adjacent to row or column of numbers you want to add and click the AutoSum buttons. Using the function wizard: whenever you want to use a built-in Microsoft Excel function, you can use the function wizard to help you select a function, assemble the argument correctly, and insert the function into the formula. To add a function to a formula, activate the function wizard by clicking the function wizard button. When you click the finish button, the selected function is inserted into your formula with the argument's name inserted as placeholders. Average function: it returns the average arithmetics of its arguments, which can be numbers or references that contains numbers. Average can calculate into 2 ways. By applying average formula through function wizard. Through function wizard, it will prompt you to enter the value or range and give output in the appropriate cell. By adding the individual cell and dividing it by the count of cells, firstly mention the specific cells address or numbers in the parenthesis. Then divide it by the count of cells or numbers, like this example. Other functions. Mathematical function, the first is int, round a supplied number down a whole integer, like the 45.6, then output is 45. Floor, round a supplied number down to a supplied significance like 35,2, then output is 35. Scaling, round a supplied number up to a supplied significance like 35,2, then output is 36. Rounds function, round a supplied number up or down to a specified number of digits like 123.73, 1, then output is 123.7. And the 345.78, the output is 346. ABS, absolute function, convert negative value into the positive value like -7, the output is 67. Date and time function now returns the current date and time, example now functions, and today return today date, example today functions. A statistical function. Count returns the number of numerical value in a supplied set of cells or values. The count E3 colon E10, then output is 7. Max return the greatest value from a list of supplied number. Min returns the smallest value from a list of the supplied number. Logical function. If test a user-defined condition and returns one result if the condition is true and another result if the condition is false. In the result, we can display the text value as well as we can do calculation. If basic pay in cell C3 is greater than 10,000, then commission is 10%, otherwise 5%. We can write the if formula in formula bar look like this types. At last, what is chart? A chart is a graphic representation of data and value. Charts are linked to the worksheet data they are created from and are updated when you change the worksheet data. Charts are constructed with data points and data series, group of selected data points within column or rows. Embedded chart and chart sheets. You can create an embedded chart as an object on a worksheet. When you want to display a chart along with it associated data, or you can create a chart sheet as a separate sheet in a workbook. To create a chart, follow the given steps. Select the cells that contains the data you want to appear in the chart. If you want to column and row label to appear in chart, include the cells that contain them in the selection. Click the chart wizard, select chart type and the subtype, click next button to go to the next step of wizard. Verify that you selected correct range from data series and data range tab of the wizard, click next. Enter chart title and other options. Specify location for the inserting chart. To change default chart type, the default chart type for Microsoft Excel is a column chart unless you change it. If you create a different type of chart in a routine such as line chart, you can change the default chart type. If you already have a chart that has the chart type, items and formatting you want, you can use that chart as the default chart type. To change the default chart type, follow the given steps. Click a chart on the chart menu, click chart type. On the standard types of custom type tab, click the chart type you want. To close the dialog box and change the chart type of the current chart, click OK. Other options pertaining to the chart can also be changed by using the chart menu option. For example, you can change the chart title, the source data, the location, etc. These options are also available on the shortcut menu, which appears with a right click on the chart. Your chart look like this type in MS Excel. Spreadsheet Part 4, the end.